nothing beats hands-on experience. You can read about it, you can learn about it, you can do it, but unless you're, in the field or in the shop, putting your hands on it, really solving problems, you're not going to know, if you truly like something. So the more you can intern and the more different experiences you can see throughout your academic career, the better chance you have of landing a job that you have a high probability you're going to like and you're going to succeed in the long term.
So prior to high school, I knew I was really interested in robotics and kind of excited to learn. And there was a robotics club. I joined it freshman year and it collapsed because of COVID. So sophomore year and junior year, I spearheaded the team at St. John's. We're a First Tech Challenge team, so we run through first.
And then I stuck with that through high school. And then I went to Kettering University, and in their curriculum, they have an internship program, and that's how I ended up here. Ever since I started my internship, it's been a really great experience to see everything come from the ground up. I feel like I've learned a lot from seeing the perspective of all of the different departments of engineering, from electrical, controls, mechanical, and from assembly to engineering, see how it all wraps together to make a robotic solution.
With Corey, I've been able to experience both near and also some technical difficulties. And he's taught me how to program, but also map. Mapping is a new thing to me altogether, which was really cool for me and it was new.
Mentoring the next generation of professionals, in my mind, is really a two-way street. I want to learn as an engineer how to grow better engineers. I want to see what schools are putting out into the workforce, and ultimately, we want to grow just as much as the intern or the student wants to grow. They're looking for insight in the industry, looking for roles that they may like. So it really takes both people to get an insight on that.
If you think you have an interest in robotics, just try it. Try something new.
I would recommend finding a local club. For me, it was First Robotics. They're all very welcoming. You can ask a teacher, a mentor, a parent.
If you can't get into robots right away, coding is a great way to start. Learn how to type, learn how to program, and then you'll slowly and progressively move in. Everybody needs something, and have that skill that everybody needs.
And don't be afraid to fail. There can be, there's a lot of mistakes made every day, and if you're willing to pick yourself up and keep moving forward, then there's always, a company or a team around you that's willing to support that.